Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different Baggu bag for you. This is the Baggu Loaf bag in the color piscine, which is pool in French, and it's very well named because, as you can see, we've got those kind of striations through the bag. It's just so pretty, and I do apologize for the light. I'm filming as the sun is setting in the window there, so it may not be giving you a true picture of the color, but it is really, really beautiful. Like the Baggu Bowler Bag, the Loaf bag does have this little tab on the strap that you can clip your charm to. It had the Baggu silver smiley face charm, but I took that off and put this lemon because I thought the color complemented the blue so well. So the lemon matches, but anything yellow looks really good. So if I wanted something a little bit less subtle, I would go for this cute little guy because he's that bright yellow color that just looks so pretty with the blue. So I have only used this bag once, so I'm really giving you my first impressions. As you may know from a previous video, I'm a huge fan of the Baggu medium bowler. Sorry, this is the small bowler. It's just such a great bag. You can fit everything in the kitchen sink in it. The Loaf bag, you cannot fit quite as much, and it has one strap instead of two. And then the strap, unlike the bowler, is adjustable. So I have it adjusted and then I knotted it around because otherwise it's quite long and it goes down past the bottom of the bag. It also only has one zipper instead of two, so it's a little more difficult to use. I have to take it off my shoulder to open it, whereas with the bowler I can just have it on my shoulder and pull open one zipper. So in that way, it's not quite as easy to use as the bowler. However, it is so pretty and so cute that I'm still a big fan of it. So let's have a look at what's inside. The capacity is smaller than the bowler as well. So you'll see I have my wallet, reusable bag. I have my portable fan because it really is getting so hot now. This is kind of a necessity. I have my hand cream. I have my pill case. My color change lip balm. This is by a Korean brand called You Need Me. Very, very pretty. I have my scrunchie. I have my asthma inhaler. And then I also have this pouch. And just to let you know, so when I'm using a smaller bag, I have a pouch for each size. I have a small, medium, and large pouch. And in a future video, I'll probably show you what I have in those. So if you saw my bowler bag video, you would have seen this pouch from Uniqlo. In the Loaf bag, it's a bit smaller, so I use this smaller pouch. So just before I get into the contents of that, I will show you the inside of this bag. So like the bowler, it has this key leash, which I'm a big fan of. And then it also has that one zippered pocket, and in here I have some hand sanitizer. And I also have, this is the tag that it came with. So that's everything in here. So let's have a look at this pouch. Just move those things to the side so we've got more room. So this is my kind of medium-sized pouch with all of my necessities in it. So first of all, I have a couple of Advil in there. I have some disposable toothbrushes and floss. This is a shout wipe. This is a hand sanitizer wipe. This is a multi-tool. It's a Swiss Army knife. Lip balm. Mints, of course. Makeup remover. This is a little tiny sewing kit. Many of the things in this pouch are the same as in the Uniqlo pouch, just a little bit smaller. Oh, a pouch within a pouch. We'll look at that in a second. I have a pad. This is a lens cleaning wipe. These are tiny, tiny nail clippers. They're so cute, little cat. And that's everything that's in the pouch. So in this pouch within a pouch, we have a little mini nail file, some medication, I have an alcohol swab just in case I need to clean something like my phone screen. I have some Band-Aids, another Band-Aid. These are some Tums and some cough drops. These are also Band-Aids, they're just a smaller one. Another alcohol wipe. This is it's a doggy poop bag, but it's nice to have in your purse in case you have to put something in the garbage but you don't have a garbage handy. This is actually a really good thing to just have in your purse. That way you can keep it away from your other things and then throw it away when you get a chance. And then finally on the other side, this is just a disposable pair of gloves. So that's everything that I have in the Baggu Loaf bag. So I need to kind of wear it a lot more to decide if I'm in love with it or not. I definitely enjoyed it because it's so cute. I think that I've been spoiled by the Baggu the Baggu Bowler. It's just such a great bag. But this is definitely a cute option too. And I know there are people who are huge fans of the loaf. So if you've used the loaf bag, let me know in the comments. I'd be very interested what your experience is. And in the meantime, I hope you have a fantastic day or night and take care. Bye.